Okay, so what we're looking at is the triangular section of the roof, right? The surface area of this triangular section of the roof on a hip to hip. So the width at the bottom here, right, that is going to be, if we go up here, that is going to be the truss width, okay? Because if we're looking at the front of the house, this is what the roof looks like in the main part here, right? Now, this front bit here is angled, okay? This diagram doesn't show it very well, but trust me, it is angled. It's going to be something like that. There we go. And there's going to be one that goes out the back as well. So, because this is an angle, well, how long is this? Because if we're looking for the surface area of this triangle, right, if we pull that triangle out, right, this one here, it's going to look like this, with both of these being the same length, and TW, as in the truss width, being the width at the bottom. Now at the top here, we need the height, right? We need to know what this distance is. Well, that there, right, I'm going to tell you, and you can have this for free, that if we look at the top view, so this is looking bird's eye view down on the house, right? This distance here is going to be the hypotenuse of our truss, just like this, right? Just like we found up here. We would have found the hypotenuse here, all right? So the truss hypotenuse, well, I'm going to call it just H, the hypotenuse. Why? Because this distance here, like on the ground, like from here, stop it. From here to here is half the width of a truss. Because if it's got the same pitch and it goes up to the same point, then if we think about this here, the same pitch, it's going to go from here all the way up, and we get to the same point as all the other trusses, so it's going to be here, which means it's just going to be the height of the truss. And so then it's going to be half the width. Okay, so you can take it as a given that this is the hypotenuse and this is the truss width, all you found previously. So now it's just a matter of finding the area of those two things. Okay, and that's a W. And that's that. Now you'll need to multiply this by 2 for the final result because you've got one here and one here. But other than that, that's it. That's all there is to it.